Evening viewer, welcome to our Glory Globe TV's breaking news. India has strategically positioned an upgraded squadron of MiG-29 fighter jets at the Srinagar airbase to address potential threats from both Pakistan and China. The newly designated Defender of the North Squadron, formerly known as Tridents, has taken over from the MiG-21st Squadron at Srinagar, historically responsible for guarding against Pakistani threats. The significance of Srinagar's location in the heart of the Kashmir Valley, coupled with its higher elevation, prompted the deployment of aircraft possessing a higher weight to thrust ratio, quicker response time, advanced avionics, and long-range missiles. Squadron leader Vipul Sharma of the Indian Air Force highlighted the MiG-29's fulfillment of this criteria, enabling them to effectively counter threats on both fronts. Compared to the previously deployed MiG-21s, the MiG-29s offer multiply advantage, while the MiG-21s successfully safeguarded the Kashmir Valley for years, including the doing of an F-16 in 2019 following the Balakot airstrikes. The upgraded MiG-29s features extended capabilities. Yes, this includes enhanced avionics, long-range air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, and potent weaponry acquired through the Armed Forces Emergency Procurement Powers. The MiG-29s possesses the ability to disrupt enemy aircraft's capability through jamming during their defensive powers. Additionally, this aircraft can conduct night operation with night vision goggles and boost an extended range due to air-to-air refueling. Squadron leader Shivam Rana emphasized the aircraft's enhanced capabilities, particularly their integration of air-to-ground armament previously absent. The selection of exceptional pilots by the Indian Air Force further contributes to the aircraft's effectiveness. Beyond the report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, India.